Hello everyone, this is Marika Lodato and I'm the Director of Library Services here at Santa Margarita. Right now what I'm going to show you is how to search for magazine, periodical, and journal articles right here on our Santa Margarita online databases. Okay, right now before we go on to those databases, what I want you to do is keep that PDF document of our general online resources with login credentials and passwords handy with you, because if you are going onto our databases remotely, they may ask you for those login credentials. So for the EBSCO suite, our username is SMCHS, our password is Eagles. Britannica, login credentials are right here. The Facts on File Infobase suite, username and password is here. Gale, JSTOR, Art Store, and so on and so forth. Okay, and once you have that handout ready with you, then you can go on to the EBSCO Discovery Search Service database. Alright, and let us go to the Santa Margarita main webpage. And to get to the databases, the easiest way is to go to Academics. Scroll on down to Library Media Center. And right on our home page is the search box. So to search for a magazine article, all we want to do is get onto the search page. So let's just type in time, hit search, and let's say we're not even looking for Time magazine, we just want to get onto this page and get to this button right here. But as you can see right here at the top, it wants us to log in for full access. So click on that. You notice right here it says it wants to access the EBSCO host databases. So if you go back to the document, the EBSCO host databases, the username is SMCHS, the password is Eagles. So let us enter in those login credentials, SMCHS, then Eagles. Log in. Okay, and now we are logged in. So the first step to searching for a magazine or periodical article is, this is the most important tab right here. So click on Search Journals. And the first way that I'm going to show you how to search for journals or magazine article is the easiest way, if you already know the name of the journal or magazine, is to enter it by title. Let's say I'm looking for Time magazine. And you'll see different titles that pop up. I'm looking for Time, so I'll click on Time. And I want to see if it has full text. It actually does have full text access. So click on that plus sign to the left of full text access. And you will see different databases that carry it. If you see Academic Search Premier, that is probably the best option that will offer you the most up-to-date resources. The second best option is this Mass Ultra School Edition database. So let us click on Academic Search Premier. Let's click on October 2017. Click on the most recent issue, October 30th, 2017. If you want to see the actual scan of an article, you can click on PDF full text. And the article and the picture is right here. If you want your students to cite this article, on the right hand side on Tools, click on right here, and that is actually the Cite button, and the citation is right here. And if you want them to export it to EasyBib, they can do it from here. Okay, so now let us search a periodical by subject. So let's go back to EBSCOhost or Discovery Service. Let us search journals. And I want to search for a Catholic magazine or periodical. So to search by subject, you will notice at the bottom this Browse by Discipline box with resources available from our library's collection that's found in the databases. And you'll notice it's in alphabetical order from agriculture all the way down to zoology. So I'm going to click on Religion and Philosophy. Right now there are 314 journals or periodicals that are connected to religion and philosophy. But right now I'm just interested in magazines that pertain to Catholicism. So let's see if we can narrow it down by subject to Catholicism. So in order to do that, I click on Show More under Subject. And here we have a breakdown of the periodicals by subject. So let's click on Catholicism and hit Update. And we have a list of 13 magazines, periodicals that are related to Catholicism that are in our database. And right now I'm interested in the America magazine, so I will click on Full Text Access right here. Academic Search Premier, again, is my preferred full text periodical only because it is the most up to date, but Mass Ultra is good as well. So just for right now, since it's a different database, I'll click on that. I'll click on 2017, click on the most recent issue, and as long as you see this PDF full text, you'll see the full actual scans. So I'll click on this article, A Drive to Thrive. And that's the actual scan of the article. If you want to see the full text of different pages within the magazine without having to go to the result list, right here under Inside This Work is a sort of table of contents. So here's pages 1 through 5 of the work, 6 to 10 of the magazine, 11 through 15, and so on and so forth. Again, the site feature right here if you want to email yourself the article or print. Okay, and that is how you search for a journal by subject or by title in the new EBSCO Discovery Service search engine. Thank you and have a good day.